Introducing the new AI study tool. This tool uses artificial intelligence to provide you with tutorials based on your Pearson content. It can help you understand tough concepts, provide support on difficult homework questions, and give you personalized guidance. You may see the tool while working through homework problems in your MyLab or Mastering course. If you're struggling with a question, the tool will offer guidance. Select Start to generate practice problems that are similar to the questions from your assignment. Use the tool to answer the questions and get immediate feedback. If you have a question for the tool, use the Respond or Make a Request field to send your question and get more help. Go back to your assignment question and try again when you're ready. You can always go back to the tool for more practice if you need it. Or you may see the tool waiting to assist you in your e-textbook. The tool uses the content of your e-text to help you study. Use Summarize to get a summary of either the section of the e-text you're currently viewing or a whole chapter. Use Practice to get personalized practice questions based off of the content of your e-text. You can use the questions to practice your knowledge or make sure you're ready for the test. Explain allows you to get more information on a topic, word, or concept. And at any point while using the tool, type a question or a message to get more help. The new AI study tool is available in select MyLab, Mastering, and Pearson Plus titles. Improve your learning with a trusted study companion.